Kim Se Ron's family has held a new press conference regarding the situation with Kim Soo Hyun. On May 7, the family of the late Kim Se Ron held a press conference with their legal representative Boo Ji-suk and HoverLab Inc. head Kim Se Eui in attendance. At the press conference, the lawyer stated that Kim Se Ron spoke to a whistleblower in New Jersey a month before her passing. Including content about Kim Soo Hyun, Kim Se Ron spoke for about 1.5 hours, and this audio was fully recorded with her consent. According to the lawyer, this whistleblower was attacked on April 30, local time, by two people, one Korean and one Chinese, being stabbed in the neck 9 times in the United States. The family earnestly pleaded that we reveal a part of the recording as this incident could get more severe if we wait more, the lawyer shared, and he added that the case is under investigation with the US FBI. In the part of the recording revealed at the press conference, Kim Se Ron is speaking to the whistleblower on January 10, 2025 at a coffee shop in New Jersey. In the recording, she says, "I dated Soo Hyun Oppa. You might say I'm crazy and not believe me, but I dated him since I was in middle school, and we broke up after I went to college," and adds, "Soo Hyun Oppa and those GOLDMEDALIST people are really scary and will do anything. I feel like I was used since middle school. Honestly, I was his girlfriend and he knows how I was to him since middle school, but after the accident, they all made me out to be a weird person. What's really crazy is that he sent me a photo taken while he was doing it with someone else. He said the idol he slept with smells like mayak, seaweed, so he had her name saved as mayak in his phone and sent me that. If I was in better circumstances, I would have revealed everything already," Kim Se Ron shares. Also in the recording, she says, "The first time I did it with him was during winter break in my second year of middle school. Thinking about it now, it was done to me. Not many people know about when I dated him in middle school, but they all reacted the same way. They asked why I just let him be." Regarding this, the legal representative announced that Kim Se Ron's family filed a criminal complaint against Kim Soo Hyun for violation of the Child Welfare Act. His statement is as follows: "This is Boo Ji-suk, attorney of the law firm BUYOU, representing the family of the late Kim Se Ron. We previously held a press conference on March 27. The reason for this was to put an end to the controversy by presenting evidence that the late Kim Se Ron and Kim Soo Hyun were in a relationship when she was a minor. The bereaved family wanted an apology from Kim Soo Hyun, but what they received instead was a lawsuit and criminal complaint for damages amounting to approximately 12 billion won, approximately $8.6 million, as well as a press conference from Kim Soo Hyun in which he consistently denied ever having dated the late Kim Se Ron when she was a minor and stated that he would prove the truth through an official investigation. In response, the family has been cooperating fully with the investigation, providing all materials requested by the authorities. However, contrary to his statement that he would prove the truth through the investigation, Kim Soo Hyun has repeatedly claimed that the evidence was fabricated. YouTubers such as Lee Jin-ho have also made similar claims without clear grounds. At the same time, Kim Soo Hyun has been filing numerous complaints against the bereaved family. Despite this, the family has maintained a principle of non-response, trusting that the truth will be revealed through the investigation. In this situation, a whistleblower who has been assisting the family was recently approached with an offer to purchase crucial evidence in their possession for several billion won, millions of dollars. When the whistleblower refused, they were subjected to serious threats to their personal safety. Given these urgent circumstances, we ask for your understanding as we hold another press conference. On the day in question, through our law firm, the bereaved family filed a criminal complaint against Kim Soo Hyun for violation of the Child Welfare Act and for false accusation. Article 17, Clause 2 of the Child Welfare Act punishes those who force a child to engage in obscene acts, mediate such acts, or commit sexual harassment or other forms of sexual abuse against a child. The family has confirmed that Kim Soo Hyun forced the late Kim Se Ron, when she was a minor in her second year of middle school during winter break, to engage in obscene acts and subjected her to sexual harassment and other forms of sexual abuse, and has therefore filed a complaint for violation of the Child Welfare Act. Kim Soo Hyun was in a relationship with the late Kim Se Ron when she was a minor. Nevertheless, Kim Soo Hyun filed a complaint against the family for defamation by spreading false information even though the family is stating the truth. In response, the family has filed a complaint against Kim Soo Hyun for false accusation on the grounds that he is attempting to have the family criminally punished by making false claims. Along with these complaints, we have requested an investigation from the Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency. As mentioned earlier, the whistleblower was attacked with a weapon and was in a life-threatening situation. The investigation revealed that the assailant was a Joseonjak, ethnic Korean from China, who had only recently entered the United States, and the person who brought the assailant to the scene was also a Korean who had recently entered the United States. We have therefore requested an investigation into the exact identity of the Korean individual and the circumstances surrounding the attack. In addition to threats to the whistleblower's safety, there have recently been sightings of suspicious vehicles suspected of stalking near the home of the late Kim Se Ron's aunt. We earnestly request police protection for the bereaved family and for CEO Kim Se Eui.